So you see, dear friends, so it is very fantastic. And right here you see, this is my logo design recycle bin and the computer. So it is fantastic logo design. So right here you see very colorful recycle bin and tool logo design. So this is very primary and very basically, but colorful and effective and logo design. So what should I do? I need to now to keep exactly like that. So I need to now just a little bit smaller here and keep to the counter side. So I'm gonna start it. I needed a first rectangle tool here. I keep here and I see I'm starting here like that. So keep this like that, exactly like that. So keep here and go to the here, and I need it to transform here, rotate. Okay, so go to the again transform, reflect here, copy, get it. So what should I do? I need to now line segment the tool here. Then you see is a centering me. So just pressing shift key and here to here and select all the things and go to the which one I should build a tool and cut it by pressing Alt cut it here. Okay, so what should I do? I need it out here, delete all the things, and I need to select this one and go to the here, line, and I like this is save build tool, and I go to the here, exactly same now here, go to the here, and I need to now to a little bit upper side to keep here, and go to the but this way, then I select direct selection and go to the here and just keep here like that, and near here a little bit, and I need it to a little bit here, corner like that, little bit, not a bigger, little bit. So this is good. What should I do? I need to know. Sorry, I need now just a polygon tool here. Keep here just 3. It may be 6 or others number, but I needed 3. I keep here and like that here, just a bigger like that, and keep here. Oh my god, also I needed to keep here just so it is a little bit balanced. Just exactly like that. Put to the center. I need like that. Little bit, little bit, little bit here, little bit, little bit. Yeah. As you see here, little bit is something around here. Yes, it is center. I think it maybe center. Yes, okay. So I needed to select this one, and I needed to keep this one use like that. It's now same. So what should I do right here? I need a now pen tool here. Click here and go to the click here. Oh, right here. Shit. I need a two pen tool here and keep here. Then like that here. Just a little bit something here like that. Yes. What should I do? I need to now just to keep the color here. I think maybe like that. Yes, I need to here. Okay, so what can I do a little bit? I need now this color white. Yes, it will color white. Let it be 5, 6, no, 5 is okay. So, okay, so right here you see, it is exactly what I am wanting. So, what can I do right now? I just group all the things and just a little bit smaller here, like that, little bit like that. Now go to the effect, convert, distort, then transform. You see preview select. You see here the center. Yes, here just 3, and here 20, 120. So now you can see how magically do. You see how the magic. This is one kind of magic. This is magic. It's a magic. You see how is the magic? Like that center is again to the center. You see the center. Okay, just fine. A little bit. Yes, this is right here. You see. Now go to the object. Now go to the explorers. You see exactly like that. It's more better than is previous. So I needed this one. Just delete all the things. You see, friends, how is happening? Back to the group. It's super nice and very effective. Look at design. So thanks for watching.